What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. JP here, Dynamic AI Tech. So I just wanted to hop on real quick and share with you a program called Typeless. This company reached out to me a few weeks ago and said, hey, Dynamic AI Tech, we love what you're doing. We feel like you could save hours using this software. So of course, I took a look at it and here we are. And yes, it has saved me hours of time creating content because now I don't have to type, I can talk. So I'm just going to show you a quick demo of how the software works. And yes, it is free. And that's what this channel, my channel, is about. Dynamic AI Tech is about finding the best free or highly discounted AI generation programs because we know how expensive costs can get as content creators. And yes, this is free. You can upgrade, but I have not needed to upgrade. I've been using the free version. So go ahead, I'll leave the link below in the description and you guys can check this program out for yourself. But before you do that, you might want to see what it does. So let's just dive in real quick here. Okay, I've already downloaded the software for this and it has an amazing onboarding process for you to really understand what it does, and it trains your voice and it's very, very helpful. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up ChatGPT. I'm going to press the function key and then I'm just going to start talking. So here we go. I would like to generate a short video, 60-second video of me meeting movie characters from the 90s. And then I like function go, and there it is right there. And within a couple of seconds, there you go, that's done. So what I also love about this is I can generate emails and have the software fix or enhance my emails. So let's open up email here. All right, I'm gonna send a quick email to mary@aitech.com. Don't try to email this, it's not a real email address. So first thing we need is a subject, and I'm gonna press function and hold it down and speak. The best AI software trial. Now check this out. I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to ask to make it all caps. Make this all caps. There we go. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to write the email, and not only am I going to write the email, but I'm going to enhance it. So let's do it. All right, I'm going to be pushing function while I'm speaking. So, and again, you can, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but you can change the hotkey. So my key on this one is function, but you can do control or option or command. Hey, Mary, comma, I'd love to take a further look at your software, period. Could you please provide me the code or coupon to upgrade this so I may have free access so I can do a demo for the company? Okay, there it is. And let me just move me out of the way. All right. And let me copy this or highlight this. I'm not going to copy it, sorry. I'm going to enhance this. Turn this into a professional yet friendly email. Okay, and there we go. Dear Mary, I hope you're having a productive week. I would love the opportunity to explore your software in greater detail. Right? So that's amazing. So I really haven't typed much at all, just the email address, right? And I'm done, and I hit send, finished. But wait, there's more. So if you need help with content and you don't want to head over to ChatGPT, let's say you have a website and you have a blog and you need help crafting a blog post, and you can do that by having Typeless do the work for you. All right, so let's try this. So right now we're in Google Docs. Can you create for me a 500-word blog post for the top 10 AI programs for content creators? Okay, so it didn't do it yet, but I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to tell it to create the article for me. Create a 500-word blog post out of this. All right, and we're done. And I didn't type anything. Again, awesome program. Check it out. I'll leave a link below in the description. For those of you who are engaging and leaving comments on the channel, I really appreciate you. And if you haven't already liked and subscribed, could you please do that? We want to push this channel forward because we're definitely getting the word out about finding the best free and best discounted AI generation programs. And I will hopefully see you all on my next video. See ya.